Hello, my magical rainbow friends. Today's video is I got a Dollar General snack haul. So let's get in and see what I got. Hey, my magical rainbow friends. My name is Jamie, and this is Jamie's Disney Kingdom, and it's my birthday month. So happy birthday to me, and happy birthday to you if your birthday is in August. Take it away, intro.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so the first thing I got are these 16 Kellogg's Rice Krispie treats. I got these 12-pack of Little Debbie's Classic Brownies. I got the 6-packs Little Debbie Glazed Donut Sticks. I got the Pepper Ridge Farm Goldfish Baked Snack Crackers Cheddar. Some goldfish. I got 2 of these Bumblebee chicken salad with crackers. I got 2 of those. I got these 12-pack Pop-Tarts, and they're in the s'more flavor. I got a 20-ounce cherry Coca-Cola. I got Welsh strawberry kiwi juice cocktail. I got a 20-ounce Dr. Pepper. A 20-ounce mug root beer. I got these Chip-Ahoy's chewy chocolate chip cookies. I got the Clover Value granulated sugar. Need sugar for my coffee. It in that bag. Then I got TGI Fridays potato skins cheddar bacon. These are really good. I got these Andy Caps Taste the Oven Baked Crunch hot fries. I got these Sweet Smiles Gummy Peach Rings. I got these Arby's seasoned curly fries, the Arby curly fries. I got the Checkers and Rally's famous fries, Rally fries or Checker fries if you have a checker. And then the last bag is my junk bag. It's all a snack haul. Just a big old snack haul. I got these to do a review. I'm going to do a review on these because they're new. These are called the Jolly Rancher Hard Candy All Peach. I'm going to do a review about those. Then I got the original Jolly Rancher Hard Candy. Then I'm going to do a review about these two. These are the Jolly Rancher gummies. I'm probably going to do the review on this video. Then I got the Sweet Smile Gummy Watermelon Rings. Then I got the I can't pronounce that. Welch's Original Soft Caramels. Then I got 2 of these bubblegum lollipops. I got 2 of those. And I got 2 of the cotton candy lollipops. Then I got M&M's peanut butter. Then I got Reese's Pieces. Then I got Milk Duds. And that completes this haul, so please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Jamie, and sure hope you'll stick around, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell where you will not miss any of my upcoming videos, and join my YouTube family. And like always, love one another, don't judge one another, and always believe in Disney. Bye, my magical rainbow friends, have a magical day, and I will see you very soon. And I didn't do the review. So now it's time for the review. I am going to do the Jolly Rancher Hard Candy All Peach. These are all peach flavor. I'm a big fan of peach, so I think I will like these. If I can get them open. Okay, now I'm going to pull one out. Oh, that one kind of looks messed up. Here we go. Alright. So, the wrapper looks like that. Just like a original Jolly Rancher wrapper. And then the candy looks like that. Yeah. You definitely get the peach. That is really good. Alright, so I'll be right back to try the other. Alright, and now I'm going to try the Jolly Rancher Gummies original flavor. Want one of all. Ah, no. No, Aerie. Hold on. Okay, so this is what the grape one looks like. It's really tough. It's good. It's just really tough. Here's the watermelon one. So you definitely taste that, the grape, and then you definitely taste the watermelon. Here's the sour apple. That one is really good. The sour apple, that one is really good. Okay, here's the cherry. It's stuck to my tooth. Alright. Here's the blue raspberry and the last one. That was good too. Alright, so I'm going to do a rating between 1 I didn't like, 5 they were okay, and 10 I will definitely buy again. Okay, so the Jolly Ranchers Hard Candy All Peach, I am giving this a 10. I will buy this again. This is really good. Alright, now the next one is the Jolly Rancher Gummy Original Flavor. Alright, I'm giving this a 5. Why I gave it a 5, I may buy it again, I don't know. But the flavors were really good, but it was really tough. And it just kept trying to get stuck to my teeth. So that's why I wanted to give it a 5. But yeah, that is the review. So thank you for watching. Have a magical day. Thank you for watching Jamie's Disney Kingdom. And again, happy birthday to me and happy birthday to you if your birthday is in the month of August. Take it away, outro.
And here lately, please don't laugh. I use it on behalf of the miserable, lonely, and depressed, pathetic, poor, unfortunate souls in pain, in need. This one longing to be thinner, that one wants to get the girl, and do I help them? Yes,